Those of you who are avid watchers of the YouTube channel will probably have seen this a while ago. It was back in December. I put out a how-to video on how to make a box out of firewood using only chisels. And that was a lot of fun, but I've been wanting to make a little more artistic video for a while, and something that's just a little bit easier to watch when you just want to sit back and relax. And I kind of enjoy it. So this is a video more for me. Now, some of you are going to be complaining, yes, oh no, he used a mallet and he used a bench. I know, one of these days I'm going to go out into the woods and actually just slap one up. It's really not that hard to do without the vise. It's easier standing up. It's less backbreaking. But you can do it with a rock or something to push up against. And one of these days I might actually do that. And I may even take it a step farther and go out and nap my own chisels out of a stone. I don't know. We'll have some fun ideas with that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I do want to say thank you to the patrons on Patreon, and particularly those of you who have purchased swag from the Wood by Wright store. Card scrapers, t-shirts, and puzzles and other things. Thank you for that. You are the reason why this YouTube channel keeps going. I do want to hear if you have any comments or ideas or suggestions. Please let me know in the comments below. And that's about it for today. Until next time, have a wonderful day.